What's up guys, welcome back to my channel and to another makeup tutorial. This, you know what, I have to consider this to be a beginner friendly makeup tutorial because just like the last video where I did the purple shadow, this video is somewhat similar. I am using one shadow on my eyelids and whatever eye space that I have there, crease and eyelids. I don't know what direction I thought I was turning in when I saw the wine colored lips, but I don't know. This is what it turned out to be, and there's no turning back. What is the fun in makeup if you are not experimenting? Anyway, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna get right on into this video, and I'll catch you in my next video. Okay. So as usual, we're going to be going in using my Laying Low Paint Pot by MAC. And I'm just going to cover the whole lid and the brow bone space because we're going to be using all of that space. Now we're just gonna go into my Morphe Brushes, the 35B palette, where there's a whole bunch of color, and we're gonna choose from here. I'm gonna use this color right here. Oh my gosh, I'm sticking to it. I chose it, I'm sticking to it. It's signed, sealed, and delivered. Okay, so we're gonna use that shade. I'm sticking to it, and we're just gonna tap it off some, and start in our crease. No, I'm not gonna start in my crease. We're gonna do exactly what we did on the purple shade, on the purple shadow that we did in the last video. And I'm just gonna apply it to my lid and then work my way up into my crease. I've never done this before, obviously. Ooh, okay, okay, girl. Not bad. So anyway, I've never done a one eyeshadow look before until the purple shadow. It's so uncomfortable when I feel like people are staring at me. I had my window wide open and there were 3 girls that walked by and they just stopped right in front of my window. Girl. So we're just packing this color on. I don't know what the name of it is, but it's the teal shade in the 35B palette. It's on the top row. It looks a lot brighter than what it does in person. I'm cool with that, but in person it looks more teal, and on camera I feel it looks a little bit more like teal slash turquoise. My camera's dying. Am I gonna make it? Now I'm gonna take my blending brush and we're gonna start blending into the crease. We're gonna go in a circular motion from the outer edges to the inner corner. And then in a second, you're gonna see that I add more color to the crease. Right now, we're kind of just setting a foundation. Let's see how the mascara and lashes brings everything together. I'm gonna take my LA Girl. This is a waterproof liner, so proceed with caution because boy, I'm not going anywhere. This is, you know, I do makeup when I'm home. I do videos clearly when I'm home. Consistency is the way we are going. All right, so I'm gonna apply this to my upper waterline. Ow, I poked myself. Ooh, you gotta be careful with this. Ooh, yes, we don't want no skin showing. Mine is the translucent powder under my eyes. I'm telling you, lashes bring a look together. I mean, hey girl. We're gonna finish with the rest of the face, and I don't think I'm gonna put any shadow on the lower lash line. We did that with the purple. Today we're gonna keep it. And I'm using my L'Oreal True Match. You guys know this already. I mean, we know I need new makeup, but you know what? What I have right now is doing what it needs to do. We're warming up the rest of my face. We don't want to look pale. We don't want to look like no clown. Bringing everything in together. Completing the look. Completing the look is, to me, is just adding some blush, bronzing the face, bringing your true skin tone right back to where it should be as much as possible. Again, if you're interested in seeing the passion twist, I will link the video to the tutorial in my description box so that you guys can go and click over there. Everything was done the same. I was just tired of doing my own hair, and doing passion twist is a lot quicker than standing in the bathroom and doing regular braids. It's just a lot quicker. And now we're gonna go ahead and dust away the translucent powder. Gonna go over that area with the bronzer or the pressed powder, because I don't own bronzer yet. Now we're gonna use my baked blush, Milani blush. Love these KoKo lashes, these Queen Bee KoKo lashes, because you can wear them so many times, and since I do not wear lashes all the time, even though I don't wear lashes all the time, every time I do these videos, I feel like it's just time for me to get new ones because they've gone through a whole lot of heck. They've gone through some things. So that my blush doesn't look too like, hey girl, I'm just gonna take my brush with nothing on it and just blend it out. I'm not adding anything to my lower lash line except for mascara. Oh my gosh, I think I like this look! We're gonna enhance my beauty mark, which is, okay, I would zoom, but I'm just gonna get closer to the camera. I feel like my right lash application always looks better than the left side to me all the time, every time. I am gonna put some highlight on, and it's the same highlight that I've been using for 30 trillion years. I don't care though, because it's working for me and I like it. I like it for the meantime until I get a bigger selection. As of right now, I'm using Gerard Cosmetics Star Powder in Lucy. I like it. Put it on my brow bone. Now we're moving on to the lips, and I have no idea what I'm gonna do on the lips. This is a Teal makeup tutorial, but I feel like if I put a color on my lips, it's gonna take away from the look. Screw it. It's fall. Let's move into the lips. Okay, should I do that? I don't care, I'm doing it. Woo! Girl, this is so vamp. Guys, what have I done? This is what happens when experimenting goes wrong. What do you guys think? This is not what I was trying to go for. But you know what? We're gonna make it look good. sometimes I do good, you know, and I guess like I don't know, like I mean I don't know how to feel about what I just did to my face. I don't know. I have no idea. I don't know what it is. Should I go over the blush with bronzer, or, you know, what did I do to my face? Can this look be salvaged? The heck? Before I screw anything up, I think I just want to leave, I guess, well enough alone, because I don't know what I did. Should I add some lip gloss to spruce up this look, or leave it? Or leave it? There's no turning back. I'm not touching anything else on my face. I'm not doing it. So I'm just gonna add my Morphe Brushes Continuous Setting Mist. Here we go. Inhale it in, girl.